Sexuality is an important aspect of human life and plays a significant role in various aspects of our well-being. Here are some reasons why sex is considered important. 1. Physical pleasure and intimacy. Sex provides physical pleasure and intimacy between partners, promoting bonding, emotional connection, and a sense of closeness. It can be a way to express love, affection, and desire for one another. 2. Emotional and mental health. Sexual activity releases endorphins and other feel-good hormones that can improve mood, reduce stress, and enhance overall well-being. It can also strengthen emotional bonds between partners and contribute to a healthy and satisfying relationship. 3. Physical health benefits. Regular sexual activity has been linked to various physical health benefits. It can improve cardiovascular health, boost the immune system, promote better sleep, relieve pain, and even enhance brain function. 4. Relationship satisfaction. Sexual satisfaction is often correlated with relationship satisfaction. A fulfilling sex life can contribute to a stronger and more satisfying partnership, fostering trust, intimacy, and mutual happiness. 5. Self-expression and identity. Sexuality is an integral part of human identity and self-expression. Embracing and exploring one's sexual desires and preferences can contribute to personal growth, self-confidence, reproductive function. From an evolutionary perspective, sex is crucial for procreation and the survival of the human species. It allows for the fertilization of eggs and the continuation of the genetic lineage. 7. Communication and connection. Sexual activity involves communication and negotiation between partners, helping to establish consent, boundaries, and shared desire. Open and honest communication about sexual needs and preferences can deepen understanding and strengthen the connection between partners. 8. Body image and self-esteem. Engaging in sexual activity can promote positive body image and self-esteem. It allows individuals to appreciate their bodies, experience pleasure, and feel desired by their partners. 9. Stress reduction. Sex can serve as a stress reliever and provide a temporary escape from daily pressures and worries. The physical and emotional release experienced during sexual activity can help reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. 10. Overall life satisfaction. A satisfying sex life is often associated with higher overall life satisfaction and happiness. It can contribute to a sense of fulfillment, vitality, and well-rounded well-being. It's important to note that the significance of sex in an individual's life can vary. Different people have different levels of interest in or desire for sexual activity, and the importance of sex can change over time and in different circumstances. It's essential to respect personal boundaries, individual preferences, and cultural or religious beliefs regarding sex. Communication, consent, and mutual respect are crucial elements in any sexual relationship.